Hi guys, my name is Satish and I am here to speak something important which I am facing right now because I am the Hindi medium student. And in that case, in that times, English is the biggest problem in my life. I know everything about my particular subject, but when time to speak something about related to my subject in front of the people and in front of my teachers in front of my interviewer, then I then I feel very nervous and there is no any words to speak about my subject because in this every Hindi medium student face same problem. But I am trying every day to speak something in English because in nowadays if you want to get job in any field, any IT field, corporate field, then you have to speak English. English is the most important in these cases, and it's and every person English is just language. English is nothing. English is just language. But when time to learn other language, they take some time. It's been 7 to 8 months started my journey. When I start first time to speak English, I tell you honestly, I have no any words. I am not able to speak single word. But I am here and I am continuously practice any regular basis. It is not correct way to say regular basis, but I am trying to learn every day something new in English. That's why I am able to speak little bit. I am not saying if fluent better English, but I'm trying to express my thought in English in front of you. Don't be okay. I mean, I am here because of some reason. Some person want to learn English, but in initial days they are not able to speak, and they thought I am that person who are not able to speak English. No brother, you are not that person. Every person who started English initial day to speak, they also face the same problem. Of course I am that person, I am the example of that person. No, I am. Every person has faced same problem. But I believe on me and God will make everything fine on right time. Okay? So be confident when in not case English language, any language, when try to speak, when try to learn, they need sometimes to learn. If you because I am that person, I am not able to speak fluent English, better English. Just I am trying to express my thought what I am delivered to you, because I have done BTech and I know my subject. I know development, DSC I am doing, but when times to come, express my thought in front of the interviewer, I am not able to speak a single sentence related to my subject because of English. I know everything my subject, not saying everything, but I know approx 30%, above 30-40%, but I am not able to speak and deliver my thought. Then I feel that first I improve my language, first I have to improve my English skills, English skills, then I work on my other skills. Okay guys, bye bye, tata. See you again tomorrow. Every day I uploaded video.